have Google Analytics installed?
I think I do. I'm not sure.
Okay. So Google Analytics, simple piece of code. It's free. You already have a Google account. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to manage your business profile. I would definitely, for anything you're going to do, whether you're going to take some of my advice today, if you're going to go watch someone else and start doing more social stuff, Google Analytics is going to tell you what's working. So we want to make sure that, if we're driving in traffic from, let's say you're putting in time to Facebook and you're buying those ads you talked about, or even boosted posts. A lot of people are boosting posts right now because it's the holiday season. Okay, well, that's great if I get likes. It's nice if I get clicks. What happens once they click? So that's where analytics can take over and tell you, hey, Thiago, we had this many people come from Facebook and here's what they did. You can even set goals. So it really does play into the whole accountability thing, right? Now you're setting goals like, for instance, I want people to schedule a free strategy session. Great, that's a goal. Once they hit this page, that could be a goal. Once they submit this, they're brought to a thank you page. That could be the goal. And that counts as a conversion because now we just got someone to give us their info. Analytics, really robust, overwhelming, but the only thing you have to do to start is just start looking at it. Make sure it's installed and just start looking at it. And we're going to be coming out with videos too that talk more about analytics. We have an expert on our team that can go through everything. And then I've got the webinar as well, and I'll be happy to share that with you so you can learn more about using Google Analytics.